New at 5:30, we are learning more about the Afghan man arrested by ICE in Rochester earlier this month, accused of being in the country illegally.
Court paperwork obtained by 13 WAM News revealing more details. ICE said Waheed Allah Mohammad stabbed his sister several times following an argument in 2008. Court papers say he pleaded guilty to attempted murder and assault and received a 10-year sentence. 13 WAM's Natalie Calzatoni has more details tonight. Natalie?
ICE says it has been conducting targeted enforcement operations and took Mohammad into custody on January 1st. Court paperwork I obtained provides some more context about the 2008 case and Mohammad's background. Customs Enforcement arrested 39-year-old Waheed Allah Mohammad on January 1st, claiming the Afghan man was in the country illegally. ICE says Mohammad stabbed his 19-year-old sister several times in Henrietta following an argument in 2008 in which he called her a, quote, bad Muslim girl and did not approve of her clothing. According to court documents obtained by 13 WAM, Mohammad pleaded guilty to attempted murder and assault in 2009 and was sentenced to 10 years in prison and 5 years post-release supervision. A court transcript from 2009 shows that prior to sentencing, Mohammad's sister addressed the court and forgave him. She said in court she was not justifying what he did, but stated in part, quote, unless you have experienced my culture firsthand, you would have no way of comprehending why my brother did what he did. And, quote, he did not take my life, and I do not wish to take his away. I do not believe he will attempt to harm me or anyone else again, end quote. Court papers note Mohammad was apparently captured by the Taliban when he was young, and documents go on to say he lawfully entered the U.S. in 2004. ICE claims the conviction violated his legal status, and in 2012, an immigration judge ordered he be removed from the U.S. According to the Democrat and Chronicle, Mohammad's family has paperwork showing a federal immigration judge deferred that removal order under a human rights provision. 13 WAM reached out to Mohammad's family to learn more about the circumstances, and they did not want to comment at this time. And according to ICE, Mohammad will remain in custody pending his removal from the U.S. Karen?